Oh man, oh man, oh man, oh man. What is good, family? Good to see everybody here again today. Please make sure to throw those A's in the chat right away. If you can hear your boy speak, throw those A's in the chat right away. What is good, family? Today marked off another very, very successful day for the ARCa Bulls trading team. My goodness, man, did we have a blast looking at that Tesla play out exactly the way we were talking about, right? So we are going to pull that up here and just bear witness to the price action within that play because damn, I gotta say so myself, man. It was just something else, man. So I'm just gonna go ahead and get these charts ready, right? Leave that logo up just for a little bit here and get this thing running. What is up, Off Grid Gorilla? Good to see you there. Sebastian saying Team Tesla, man. That is right. We absolutely nailed those targets, team. I can't even express to you, man, what it feels like to get things like that to play out the right way. Candace Morrison, what is up? What's up, Devin? Good to see you guys here. And Candace wishing us very nice thought there, right? Hey, guys. Hello, ARCa. Hope you all did well today. I certainly hope we all did too, Candace, but it looks like we definitely did, right? Many of the ARCa Bulls members ended up pulling a lot of those profits during the day, right? Marking off some gainers of around 30 to 50, 60% on some of them. Incredible play, right? So now even the ticker that we were looking at for the one that goes against the BTC price action, right? That was MSTR for MicroStrategies. That play as well, man, oh man, that one absolutely got us some nice plays. You know, we were talking about the statistics just yesterday, right? We were explaining what the probabilities were for a downside, you know, in respects to BTC against a price action for MicroStrategies, right? And yeah, we were able to nail those probabilities just right. The downside was absolutely there, right? And we were able to look at all that stuff, right? So let me just go ahead and get these charts going up in here. We'll get it going, team. So you know what? Before we get started, too, I'm just gonna go ahead and set an invite here, right, for the YouTube chat. Go ahead and click on the link that I've attached here in YouTube, right? Join the ARCa Bulls trading team and come on and trade with some very, very talented, like-minded traders. This was really good stuff today, team. I absolutely love it. Oh man, Cuddy Can, what is up? Hell yeah, I sold that 190% options, going to buy more options tomorrow. My bro, that is so good to hear. I am so happy you took advantage of that play, right? Let's go ahead and go over that Tesla play again, right? Because remember, the signal fired off for a multi-day downside, but we want to make sure to catch those times to where the price action retraces, right? We want to make sure that we know when that price action comes back up so that we don't ride the puts during an upside, right? We want to make sure that we can keep things straight, keep things rolling, right? So, Ken, I can't tell you, man, that is awesome stuff. So Off Grid Gorilla texting here saying, hello, everyone. Are we ready to gain knowledge and get an edge for tomorrow's trades? Let's go, team, my bro. Hell yes. Let's do it. All right, so please make sure to hit that link in the chat, right? Join the ARCa Bulls team today and get this going, right? So yeah, I'm trying to pick up the Tesla chart here for the back test, the bi-daily volatility. It would be the historical volatility in linear versus stochastic momentum, right? So I believe this is it right here. So let's go ahead and get the charts right up for the team, right? Now, YouTube and Discord, let me know that you can see the chart. Let me know that you are able to see it now. The setup here is a little bit different for some reason. I think it's because of an upgrade from one of my graphics cards, but it's all good. Everything is okay. I should be getting my normal setup back up in around 10 minutes here, so then I'll be able to gain visibility over everyone and everything. Zoe, what is up, my dude? Good to see you here. Buzzman, good to see you as well. All right, so yeah, let's go over the details here for Tesla, right? Actually, you know what? We'll keep this up. I will also bring the Tesla chart right over here to the day trade setup. Keep our stats window ready to go as well. Very impressive downside here, man. Very, very cool stuff. And Devin, let me know that you're still in there, buddy. Please let me know that you're chilling here with us. so that I can look at that ticker for you, right? I'm not even sure what I said about the Genius Group, but I know that I looked at it yesterday. So, whoo boy, this thing just ripped, rip. All right, nice. Didn't reach all the way as low as we wanted it to go, right? I think this was around the area that I wanted it to drop, right? It dropped just shy of that, 28 cents. Looks like it opened up around there at 31 cents. So very interesting ripper here, man. Very cool stuff. Wow. So Off-Grid Gorilla saying ARCa and I, dude, that, no way. Seb, are you kidding, dude? Dude, that's amazing, bro. Dude, Seb, that's ridiculous, bro. I don't even know what to say, man. That means a lot. Dude, that means a lot, buddy. That really means a lot, dude. Thank you so much. Like, I'm not joking, dude. I'm like stumbling here, man, because that's so kind of you, buddy. You know I mean well, dude. You know I mean well when I put these plays together for the family, for the team, dude. We and especially for you, man. You've been there since day one here, man. So I want to make sure that we look at these markets and really play it together and make sure that we can all gain together, dude. So seeing something like that, dude, really puts me in a kind of a, you know what I mean, bro. All right. I love you a lot, man. Thank you so much. I really appreciate that greatly. Dude, got my voice all tripping and everything, man. Damn it, Seb. I love you, buddy. Dude, yeah. We're gonna continue on with this play, and we're gonna continue making mad cash, bro. I love it. I love it so much. Team, I'm not joking, man. This is the reflection of what you're seeing here live from like what we're doing, right? So there's no way that this guy would have just like donated this much if he didn't absolutely nail it in the Tesla play with us, right? So please consider hitting that link in the chat, right? Join the ARCa Bulls trading team so you can see it firsthand. We're trading this, I mean, live, right? Executions and everything. So that is absolutely amazing. But yeah, dude, thank you again, Seb. I can't express that enough at all. But a little AR-15 saying Bitcoin recovery is wild. What the hell, dude? So I have to remind you, right, that Bitcoin absolutely has this massive ATR, dude. And that ATR is what? The daily time frame is around 3,500, 3,200, some crazy ass number. Huge ATR on that, right? So, in fact, I have it up here. I can just give it to you real quick. So, yeah, it's 3,032, dude. Right? It's just that's just so astronomical, man. You got to watch out when playing Bitcoin, because you can get your ass handed to, man. Real easy, right? Got to be careful with that. Got to be very careful with that ticker, man. Let's see. Come on, do it. Here we go. Okay, so yeah, I was asking for Devin. Please let me know, Devin, if you are there. I want to know if you're still chilling, right? Sebastian Lim saying, let Tesla print more tomorrow. Dude, it probably will. And Seb saying, I did bad. I did bad. Could have gave more, but stupid PRST came out with an offering. I got no. What? What's his name? CoinFox was saying that it looked like an offering, brother. Oh no. Right. So then you're already stopped out of that completely. You don't want me to look at it or what? And let's see. Off-Grid Gorilla saying join and get paid too, team, while beating the markets for green money. That's a fact, says Off-Grid Gorilla. Paid. Traveling session off topic, but how much would you charge to make a tune I can loop up in my videos? Dude, that I've never been offered that. That's very interesting. It says I'm not verified. Andre, go to the ARCa Lounge and mention me right now. To the free chat. Mention me and I want to see. I want to check it out for you. But traveling session, can you just send me an email here, brother. Send me an email at arcabulls@gmail.com so you know that you're reaching out to me directly. And just let me know what you're looking for. Let me know what genre, whatever. And yeah. So yeah, Andre, please mention me in the ARCa Lounge. And I want to see what your account is looking like. Let's see here. And you joined the Discord. Yeah, no way. You're supposed to be verified like right away. When you pay for that, dude, it's when you pay for the $9 or the $10 or whatever that is, it's you should see it right away. Let me go back into the chat in here. I'm waiting for you in that in the lounge, buddy. So you come whenever you can. Okay, cool. I see you. Okay. E, right? But what the heck is it? Man, I hate that the computer doesn't give us that actual name. Let me just go on my mobile device here and see you. Let's see. ARCa Lounge. Eagle Eye. What's up, buddy? Okay. All right. So Eagle Eye, it appears as though it appears, right? So if you have a screenshot or a verification for this, like a receipt or something, send it to me at arcabulls@gmail.com. But it shows that you haven't gone into the server subscriptions page, into the server shop on like a computer. And it's one of the tiers, right? So let me just kind of bring my window down here so I can show you what I mean, right? So let me just push this to the right. And this would be it right here. Take a look. So this is the page, right? And you would hit the subscribe button. Dude, yeah, little AR-15. Those are a little outside of our normal ATR range, buddy. That one's tough. That one's really, really scary. We're talking about multiple dollars on a 5-minute ATR. But I'm happy that you did play the downside. We were very lucky that we got a good read for the Thursday analysis that we were looking at, right? Ooh. The information that I provided was really for options. My one of the analysts, because he has a deeper pocket, so he'll be able to play those. He'll be able to feel that pressure. But yeah, man, that's big time price action, big boy price action. But yeah, let me go back here. Let me switch off the window back into the charts here so that we can get this moving. But please, Eagle Eye, try to hit that server shop on the top on the here. Yeah, right here, buddy. Make sure to go into that area in server shop. But if you have already, then send me a link. And now on, yeah, let me see. Eagle Eye saying, okay, gotcha. Okay, I will do that later after I subscribe. I'll be good. Right? Oh yeah, absolutely. You'll be able to come in right. You'll be able to come right in here, and see what I'm seeing here. Check it out. So this is the trading floor, right? So this is where all of us meet up, and this is the chat, right? And this is where we do our thing every morning. So of course, every morning, man, this thing is just it's full. But yeah, come on by. Let me get rid of this thing so that we could come back into the charts and observe. So yeah, Devin, you're not there, buddy, or what? Let me know if you are or if you are not. But I will pull up the Tesla play. I am also going to pull up the MicroStrategies play. Let's go over that as well. So MSTR, which is the play that's completely dependent on the price action of Bitcoin, right? So here we go. Yeah, so it looks like yeah, nice. the third target that we wanted, right? Very, 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 very close to reaching it. Didn't actually get into there, right? But these were the targets that I said that I don't know if it can reach all the way, but I want to point them out anyway, right? So this was the 1534.16. We ended up coming down to 15, what was it? The low of 1550, right? But yeah, we're talking about a $1,700 asset, and this is to catch those downside moves, it's very tough. Here's something that we gotta give some merit to. Hold on just a sec. Okay, good. I'm streaming okay. All right, yeah. The fact that we have the reversal formation, right? This is your hammer candle after a serious drop. This hammer candle prints the potential of a V-shaped recovery. The way that you validate this would be the closing of the following candle. As you can see here, outside bar, green, and very much a Marabazoo candle, right? So no wick at the bottom side, no wick at the top side. Absolutely not returning anything in which of what it's gained thus far. So this is definitely running. Right, so Africa Gorilla saying low AR-15, why are you not on the trading floor with us during the market? My bro. And Senior Pennington, what's up, buddy? Saying possible to look at MSFT for your opinion on further upside. Claro que sí, cabrón. For real, my brother, we will take a look at that for you and get it rolling, right, dude? No problem at all. I'm happy to do it, bro. So let's see, MSFT, and we'll get this thing moving and grooving, right? Impressive upside. I do think that the markets, did we get that correction to the downside and then the continuation? Or okay, yeah. So it did come down to our level, right? This was our 512.02 to 511.72 support bottom, right to the center of that support. Did we bounce, right? And it continued. So the question here is, are the bulls ready to reclaim the upside of the SMA 50 on a 5-minute time frame? Because that would give us the I guess the symptom number one for a recovery, right? Because yesterday you guys know that I actually titled it market sell-off, right? And going by the signals, right? So not necessarily a sell-off here. We went from 518 to about 511, right? So losing about that much in gain could kind of start setting us up for just maybe looking for a new macro higher low, which is what we were talking about anyway. The signal that we found was in the daily time frame of the SPY, right? So let's just go over the broader markets and kind of observe what we were talking about, right? Here we go. Your signal was this. Let's move this right back up. What's up, Aiden? Good to see you here, buddy. I just saw you pop up. I actually have a different setup on my screen, so I'm watching the members pop up. I have to do something about the chat a little later, though. Let's see. Okay. Yeah, so here was that downside that we were experiencing, right? Right around in here. But this was the downside that would cascade for a week, and we would find it somewhere around the last 3 days. Today being one of the possibilities, right? Another reason that we noticed that there could have been weakness in the market was due to the prior day's print, right? There was a little tiny, I guess you can call that either an evening star or something, right? It was a bearish formation that would give us the continuation to the downside. The important thing is that the current candle did not close below the range low of the prior bar. Another thing of importance to note here is that we definitely closed above the EMA 97 and the SMA 5, right? So let's look at the 12-hour, 514.25 on the 12-hour and 514.95 on the daily closure. So on the 12-hour, we're already falling beneath. Okay, so that would be the EMA 20 test of 512.45. Okay, but I want you to kind of look at that regression, right? Look at this. Let me block the visibility here and have you see just how that's kind of moving here, right? And that's what we were talking about yesterday. We were looking at this as, well, as long as we're making the series of higher highs and higher lows, then we're still kind of good. the only problem that I'm seeing here is that today we kind of couldn't combat the weekly highs, right? So let me just go ahead and put the daily here, and you can see it here on the 12-hour, right? Because that was in the pre-market to 518.32, right? So we kind of double top 10 cents above the prior all-time high. So that's the only thing that's preventing me from observing the continuation. But what I will say is this: so if we start to kind of minimize the time frames, going down a little bit. So looks like OBS kind of gave me a little bit of trouble here. Let me know that you can hear me. YouTube, please go ahead and throw those A's in the chat. I just got a little warning here that I may have disconnected. Please let me know if you are in the chat still. Throw those A's right away. And need to text my daughter here. She's going to help me out waking up the little guy. Yeah, so Senior Pennington saying that I did for a second. I'm good now? All right, good. Thank you so much, brother. I thought I was having a... You know what? I'm going to disconnect the Wi-Fi here on a few devices. Awesome. Cool. Ken, thank you so much. Candace, thank you so much for that. Really appreciate you. Right, so what I was saying here is that I think that we may be setting ourselves up for kind of a bullish run. And... Again, yesterday our suspicions were 519.29, right? So we came up to 518.32, just shy of that one spot 618 Fibonacci retracement top. Before we, that's what I was thinking, is that in the pre-market, I was saying that we probably gap up to that 519.29 and then sell off. So kind of like that, I was just shy of the target, right? So it's all good. But now, because we double topped, or triple topped in a sense here in a shorter time frame, then we could start kind of our speculation again, right? So this is what I'm kind of seeing now. So if we can adjust this entire outlook here, it appears as though we're on an ascending triangle, and we still have some time to go. Let's see. Yeah, not bad. So let me get rid of some things here, right? I want to get rid of some noise so that we can better concentrate ourselves within a more controlled area. Okay. Yeah. I hope you're starting to see it, right? You're starting to see what that convergence is of price action. We're essentially going to, if this really is the case, then we're gonna converge here. This would be an ABCD strategy, and this would take us to a potential breakout, right? So this is technically a bullish formation. We're at 45, close to 50% to the apex of the triangle. What you want to do here is get to the 65 to 75% to the apex, right? In order for you to get some type of a breakout play. Now, if I'm being honest here, this appears as though the SPY is still getting ready for a continuation to the downside. Right? So if that's the case, then we could see here a bottom target. And the way that I can see it is based around the closing of this candle here and the wick low of this candle here. That would mark off a very speculative dead cat bounce, which appears as though the target has already been tested one time. Right? So psychologically speaking, this is the way that we would look at it. Let's say that at early pre-market, around 3-4 a.m., it looks like we would be testing the bottom side of our regression. So it is pretty clean. So let's see if, in other words, we're probably going to gap down in the early pre-market. Then we would come back up. But so pre-market our time, we may be able to see NYSE, right? We may be able to see a gap up. But for now it's a little bearish here, right? So we're gonna experience a little bit of downside over the early pre-market into Euro Open. But that's okay. That's okay, because usually when you gap down like this, the next implied move, speculation here, right? But usually it tends to happen. The next implied move would be to cover the gap. So that would be a gap fill right after you gap down. And if we do fill that, then that's going to be whether we gap fill and reverse or we gap fill and go, right? So if we can get that go from this, then we may be able to see a continuation to the upside, and we could end in the green tomorrow. Some of the targets that I'm observing here, of course, would be the bottom side of this range, 515.77. In order for us to get to the top of the formation, we need to clear the 517.23, which is confluent to the 2.272 Fibonacci ratio. Get that thing beat, and then we'll make that top side. Right, so now let's put some targets here, because I don't know if you remember just yesterday, we were talking about a probability of breaking the SPY to the upside and potentially experiencing the 4.618 at maybe 530, right? Maybe. We don't know just yet. But the thing is, I can't ignore this. I cannot ignore this formation now. Right? So let's get some measured moves here. Let's just say that we were to break out from this formation this coming Monday, around, let's just say that it would be, let's just say that it would be right around maybe power hour, right? So that would be around 12 p.m. Pacific time. So if we did that, then our first target would land right at the 3.272, a 522.81. You have 522.90. The next target would be from the center of the triangle, which is already very, very close to what we were observing anyway. So this could arguably be right there, right? So let's take that price objective, add it to this top side. The next target would be right about the 524.12, and we have 524 at the 3.618. So we're already rhyming, right? So let's go ahead and take that into consideration here. 524.12. There we go. To the 3.618 of 524.74. You got Frita. What's up? What's up? What's up? What's up? No problem, my brother. Good to see you here. Yeah, man. I'm thinking we're on an ascending triangle, and it just, dude. I thought we were selling off, right? But no, still, right? We still have some downside pressure to go. Probably another 2 points to the downside before recovery. And now the last target that we want to observe would be the very back of the triangle, right? So right back here, let's go ahead and get that measured move. So if we're going to be able to experience the top of the price action here, well, that's taking us to about 528.80. We have the 236 at 528.19. Naturally, that gives us an entire range for us to observe and respect for 528.19 to 530.33 at the 4.618 with a focus of 528.80 from the psychological formation. Right? So let's just go ahead and note that down, and this would be our implied path. Okay. Now, please remember that if this fails, if the upside fails, then these targets could be used inversely to the downside. Okay, so heads up on that, right? But it is a bullish formation. It tends to favor the bulls, but please remember that we're still we're still kind of grinding our way up through these new highs. It's impressive and scary all at once. So now let's see. Senior Pennington saying, would quad witching affect this? Sure, absolutely. Either way. So we just have to take a look at the options flow, and we'd be able to determine what, right? So what I mean by this is that, let's see, if you drop, if you fill the basket here with a bunch of long puts, because the upside is continuing, you're going to stop out long puts, right? So that means that you would start to fill the supply with long puts, which means upside. So as you dump more long put options into the supply, the price action is likely to continue to the upside, right? And also the demand for call options, for long calls, and also for short puts would be in line here. So that's all, technically speaking, that would all fill for the upside. So if we're getting that, I gotta verify this, but I think they removed stock options from the quad witching. So now I think it may be considered a triple witching forever now. I think the quad witching may be something that they undid. I'm not sure. I still have to find out. What's up, Coin? Good to see you here, my brother. How is everything? How are you doing, man? You goody? Good to see you, my brother.
Just woke up.
Nice. Dude, I did the same a little bit ago, but everything good, man. Everything good. So I'm explaining here a potential bullish formation, which is leading to some of the speculation that I was speaking of yesterday, of the SPY reaching that potential top side. We're in an ascending triangle now, and it looks like we're converging, and there could be a blast off soon. And that blast off does not feel like it's gonna be parabolic at all. It feels more like a grind, but still.
Oh my! I got 522 also.
You do?
Yeah.
I'm right there with you. I have the 522.90 to 522.81. Dude.
Yeah.
That's insane. And honestly, if we do get that 522, retracement to the 520, 519 at the 2.618 continuation. Oh, dude.
It looks bad when you look at it, but it's like if they hold this 514 tomorrow, she's gonna blast.
Yeah. There's a little bit of a dead cat bounce in the immediate short term, but the target to the downside is the regression of the triangle. So damn it. 512.32 early pre, probably Euro hours, and then recovery, which honestly I think that we would push above the 513 into the 514 by pre-market, and then it would probably be a green day tomorrow. I was expressing that likelihood, but or at least the green first half, and then we could observe the rest. Let me take a look at the stats window on this thing. But this is giving us a good understanding over what to expect tomorrow. We have close to $5 ATR on the daily. So let's just say that we did open. Yeah, let's say that we did open around 513 or 514 tomorrow. I mean, yeah, that'd be amazing. We would potentially hit the resistance levels that I'm speaking of from yesterday, 519.16. That would be 519 or 520. And that would mean that then we're going to start setting up a new leg. Support would be at 518, right? Or 518 to around 517, to be honest. So if we can set that support, then the next target, maybe Thursday, we would potentially hit 522.81 or after hours tomorrow, if it is that it plays the way that we're looking at it. 520.80, that's perfect, Daniel. That's what I'm thinking the same thing. I am thinking the same thing. Your daily ATR top, right? 521.66, very healthy. Damn, that's coming up way up there, dude. If your daily ATR top is 521, you might as well just 522 that, you know. So yeah, very very curious price here, man. And let me take a look. I want to see what the volume profile is looking like. Well, yeah, we're definitely getting ascending volume. Let's see the 6 hour.
Yes.
Yeah, we're getting bull volume leading on an upward trend. So this may spark, this may spark the bulls soon enough, dude. Yeah, short term pressure to the downside, recovery, potential upside to around the areas of, I would say, 517 to 521 tomorrow. Damn.
And look how they rotated. They smashed Meta and Nvidia, but then Netflix and Apple that have high weights held and pushed up.
They
today.
held. Yeah.
And
Wow.
And look at Microsoft. It's got a huge weight, and Apple has a huge weight. If they all play tomorrow,
It's all upward. And yeah, man, same situation here with Microsoft. That was let me see. Can I consider that? I mean, it feels like a consolidation box, but it also kind of has the traits of a bull pennant. Kind of like, I mean, I'm not gonna be as clean as I usually am, right? But let me draw the trend line here on my chart, and I'll see, and I'll show you what I'm seeing. Well, maybe, right? That feels a little too forced. Let me do the top side of the price right over here, right? So something like maybe
remember
like
I told you had sellers at 5 and 30, and it took out to 25.
Yikes! It definitely took him out. Holy crap! And it's already on its way to the day's high. Oh man, 427.82, and no, there's really nothing before this. Oh man, it's gonna be price discovery again. Okay.
And your LS 530, 431.
Dude, is that where you're eyeballing? Let's see where the top side target takes us. Because it feels like it's very likely gonna hit the entire projection. That would be 434.89. And the center of the triangle probably already got fulfilled, but let's look at it anyway.
OGG, thanks for waking me up, buddy.
Oh, dude, nice.
He said, "Where are you at?" Huh?
Dude, take a look at that. 426.16. Say again, OG?
Somebody said something was freaking him out.
I said, "Waking me up." You woke me up.
Yeah, he said thank you for waking him up.
Oh, waking you up. All right, yeah, you're welcome, you lazy bastard.
These the last 2 days I came home and I'm like, I'm gonna take a 30-minute nap. 4 hours later.
It's like nap became like I went to sleep. Full blown out to sleep. So, dude, check this out. Your middle center of the triangle target 426.16. That definitely got. That's literally the resistance. Perfect. And yeah, so 434.89. Let me do fact check here with fib retracement.
What's this edgefull.com? This is a Discord bot?
Is it coming up in the Discord? What the hell?
No, the Glockmatics posted it.
Oh, Glockmatics, is that you, little AR-15?
Oh, nice. I like the name. Sweet.
The Glockmatics thing?
Yeah, that's cool.
Let's see. You sound like a Call of Duty guy. Are you one?
Me?
Yeah.
I was. I'm not.
I'm about real guns, brother.
Yeah. I broke enough shit in my house playing that game.
Oh,
When I first started, I remember my wife came home. "Where's the chair?" I'm like, "Never mind."
someone took it. I let somebody permanently.
It's like, honey, don't ask questions you don't really want the answer to.
Somebody borrowed it permanently.
You seriously smashed the chair? I'm like, yeah.
Dude. Last one I did was Modern Warfare 3, right? The green one.
Yeah.
OG, I think that may be you, buddy, but we need to turn down the volume. Or is that you, Coin? It's maybe too loud.
No, it's Coin. I'm muted when I'm not talking.
I'm getting feedback. But that Modern Warfare 3, I prestiged the hell out of my guns. They were all gold. Fun times. I don't have that time anymore, though. I wish I could go.
And you
back
got
and-
mass feedback.
Oh yeah,
Me?
yeah, because I think the volume, like me speaking through your speakers, is a little too loud.
Oh, gotcha. Let me get my headset.
Chee. All right. So anyway, team. So yeah, potential top side here for Microsoft would be 431.34 to about 435.02. And it may go beyond that though. So let's take a look at the stats here and see what's up. Damn. Oh, actually, this is the 6-hour time frame, and what was the daily? 425 compared to 426.80. Okay. So let me look at the 12-hour instead. And now let me look at the 24-hour. Let's see. Oh, okay. So we expanded our the ATR to about $8. That's our top. Let's just say, for example, we opened tomorrow around 420, 426, 427. This would be our ATR top. And also the upper 2 standard deviation multiplier landing at 433.46. Sure, we definitely have confluence here. So it looks like well, let me just make sure of this, right? Let me go to the 4-hour time frame and look at momentum. Let's see. It's still suggesting an upside. Oh, dude. Yeah, all of it is still suggesting an upside. Yep, dude, this is very likely hitting 434 or 435 tomorrow. Stop with the noise over there. And yeah, we're breaking above the SMA 50 right now. Above the EMA 9, EMA 7, SMA 100. We're way above the EMA 200 and SMA 200 on the 5-minute time frame. Yeah, this is very likely going to do it. So, but I'm not sure that I can read Microsoft here for the rest of the market. But remember what Coin just said, right? The collective effort of all those heavy boys, that would be the broader markets or chips leading the way for an upside. So the theory or the thesis, that we were explaining here for SPY is it definitely carries weight for a continuation to the upside. Potential
Apple.
Yeah. Oh, Apple. Right.
The highest weight. It's got the biggest weight.
It is the heaviest one. Let's look at it.
I think it's 15%.
15% at
read on Apple.
Yeah, 15%
of the weight.
Yeah, 2.67 trillion market cap. You're talking about, and it's actually experiencing an upside, right? In fact, the hourly time frame is a bull pennant. So very similar to a lot of assets. Let's get the measured move here. Damn, if Apple goes up alongside those other billions and billions, and then Nvidia also with its 2-point-something trillion, man, we're talking about 2-3 times the weight of the entire crypto space for an upside tomorrow. That would lead to pretty exponential highs. And I think I like that, because then that implosion would probably happen. It got so damn frothy that a correction is absolutely imminent. I don't like this formation. Hold on. Yeah, that may be it. Look at this. Same thing the SPY is suggesting. Immediate short-term time frame downside breakout and new highs. So let's go over those targets, right?
And
So
520 on the SPY is only a 1% rip.
Dude. Oh man.
If we hit the 522, you're talking about 1.3%,
Damn, bro.
which is well within the realm of possibility.
Sure. Absolutely. That's right around where I'm looking at. And I have the targets kind of set here for Apple too, so I will shout those out now. So first target at a breakout, 174.21. Second target price objective would be 174.79. And the last one would be about 175.72 from an immediate short term formation breakout. So if we do have a formation breakout, what are the stats for the daily? Or, I mean, did we get massive price action in the after hours? 173.25? No, actually just literally just a quarter. Huh? So
Sorry, bro.
no problem, buddy. So daily ATR top 176.21. Nice. That gives us a range. 175.72 to 176.21. Very good stuff. Are we matching the 174 to anything? In fact, we are. That would be your upper 2 standard deviation multiplier in an hourly time frame. 175.99. We have 174.79. Absolutely impressive. Let's see. 174.79 to 175.99. Yeah, dude. Yep. 175. Yeah, that's all the way up there. That might as well be. Okay. I'm going to leave this as a single line here. Okay.
You've been starting so early, man.
What's up, buddy? Because I got to take my daughter out for driving lessons. Yeah, I got to take her out. She already paid for the driving school. I'm going to continue teaching her myself too. So she can get more out.
Like 20?
She just turned 20, right? But she's been really nervous driving after a car accident. She was, kind of messed up in her head from that. But it's little by little, kind of coming out. It's been a rough few years, buddy. It sucks, but all good.
Did you teach her how to text and drive though? Because that's the important thing.
How to do it properly.
How to properly text.
I swear, I did. Well, my son, when he was driving, I'm like, you're not supposed to text and drive, but I know you're going to do it anyway because everybody does. So this is what you got to do.
Yeah. So you Frita, I know. So it is very windy out here. So what we're going to do is actually set up some trash cans. I'm going to teach her how to parallel park. And because she already got the freeway introduction, so she's doing good. She already has her permit. I think.
What freeway you take her on?
Say again, buddy.
What freeway you take her out on?
Oh, the 14 from here to Santa Clarita and back.
Oh, that's nothing, dude.
You
need to take her out on. You need to take her out on one of those heavy ones, man.
I will. She's just. This is probably her second or third week. But as soon as she feels a little more comfortable,
on the 405.
Yeah, I think exactly. We're gonna go down to the 101 to the 405, back up to the 5 and the 14 and home, right? So the whole way.
I have 101, 10, back down home.
Damn.
If she could do that, she could do anything.
Dude, dead stop in that 110. It sucks, man. Oh man, that sucks. And people do get aggressive and impatient there. So yeah, that would be the true test of wit. Yeah, man, baby steps, right? It's just she went through a lot, man. Like right by that she had that experience with the car accident, and then slightly after that, right after that, her school experienced a mass shooting, right? And the freaking shooter was right outside of her classroom, just banging it out, and then coming out of the classroom, blood everywhere. So you can see how like all that kind of tied in to a 18-year-old girl, man. It was messed up. But all good, man. All good. The 14 up to the 15, and then you go to Vegas.
Yep.
Yeah, man. That's about it there. But what's up, LPB? We got to take a look at Adobe or what? Nice. So, guys, the reason we're looking at Apple right now is because this thing, it's 15% the weight. 2.76 trillion market cap on this with an upside projection. The markets feel like they're going to rally tomorrow. And Apple
earnings. If you would have done the earnings trade with me on Adobe today, you would have got 30 points. So.
30 points on Adobe. Nice.
Yeah.
Oh, dude.
Yeah, that's conservative though. It went down 70.
Did it really? Wow.
Yeah.
My
conservative trade was half of that.
Damn, dude. That's a pretty good banger, brother. Nice, man. But yeah, I wish I could trade it, buddy, but I can't trade those anymore right now. As soon as I get right back up and running, I'm gonna be chilling. But anyway, so just real quick, check this out. Apple and SPY have a very similar projection. Immediate short-term time frame downside, potentially to the 172.52, maybe 173-ish area. Come back up, break out of this bullish pennant. The psychological formations are in line with the stats. Also with your standard deviation upsides. So this is highly likely going to perform it. Top side of price for Apple tomorrow, 175.72 to 176.21. Coming back to the SPY retraced to about 512.42, 512.38-ish. Reclaim this by the market or by pre-market. Open up maybe around 514, 515-ish. And this thing would rip to the upside. Experience a little bit of resistance between the 517 and 518. If we can continue with positive bullish action, meaning all of the chips kind of pitching in for that upside, I can see the SPY tomorrow maybe anywhere between 517 to 521, 22, around there. So that means broader market upside, like everything upside. Microsoft
what are you
is
seeing
already
on chips?
On which one?
Chips. We got Apple and Microsoft both look bullish. What do we got on the other heavyweights? We got Meta, Netflix, and Nvidia. What are we looking like on those? We got any confluence to potential upside?
Yeah, absolutely. Microsoft topside target 431.34 to 435.02. That would be your 2-spot 618 and the confluence between the formation. So another pennant breakout. And that would be your top side on Microsoft, and very, very likely going to hit it. So the probabilities here are super high for Microsoft. Speaking about, I haven't seen Nvidia, but let me look at Meta and see how that one is doing. But so far, they're all kind of behaving similarly. Like they're
not Meta.
Meta's doing its own thing, or for the downside, right? This was a huge downside that we were looking at. You're right. We were backtesting the buy daily and the daily on this for the downside. Check it out. Buy daily could be closing a bearish engulfing. Still a red inside bar. 17 hours 33, meaning market close tomorrow. Your buy daily is over. Let's see the daily time frame. Yeah, massive.
Meta looks bearish, bro.
Yeah, bro. That's an outside red bar. Bearish engulfing. Tweezer top. This is three bearish signals in one. The continuation to the downside here is probably around the 470s. So let's see what we can do for this continuation on this. Holy crap, dude, that's terrible.
You got that 488 bottom. It probably bounces off that too.
Yeah. You know what? I do agree. It has the 488 validation of your prior day close around the 490s. Get the rejection continuation to the downside 483 to 479 maybe. What's the we have a 15 ATR on this too, I think, right? Big stats. Yeah, 485 ATR bottom. If we do reach, if we do
15 ATR.
Yeah, okay, a 15 ATR. So actually, hold on, let me look at the 24-hour chart.
I got a 16 ATR, just so you know.
You got a 16 ATR?
Yeah, remember I got the ATR 6 going.
Oh, okay, gotcha. The
So
RMA
16.
6 close. If we do reach a bottom side, yeah, it's talking about a 480. I have 479.18, and your mean
That's
reversion
perfect.
is at 489.
It looks like a trade between the bands then. Run through like 484.
If we could reach that, that'd be amazing, bro. But yeah, 484, 483-ish. And the longest, the lowest potential could be around, the 480 level. And if by any chance we go overly bearish on Meta, your lower one standard deviation multiplier 468, based on the daily time frame. So if we could do that, guys, that's it's probably in the cards already. Immediate short-term time frame. Sorry, let me look at the hourly for that. Yeah, top side of the price action here, potentially faking out at 492.95, so 493-ish, depending on where we open. 493 to maybe 493 to 493.27, around there. It depends on where we open, but as of now, that's what I'm looking at before a failure and a continuation to the downside. So the first, if it opens at around 491, the first hour of the day, or it's potentially gonna ride up just a little bit and just load up a bunch of bears. My top projection would be 494.42 to 495.67, and that would be your 5-minute top side of the 2 standard deviation top side of the bands at 494.05 to 495. You get that resistance there, and continuation to the downside. Meta very likely to come down to 480 to 485-ish.
Hey, ARCa, that ABT stats sheet, have you gone through that pretty extensively, telling everybody how to use it? Because it's freaking awesome when you're setting up your day trades.
Dude, yeah, this thing, it's just the stats of the day and all jumbled in one shot, so we don't have to, it's a time saver utility, so we don't have to look back.
Totally.
Yeah, so I'm still developing it. I'm still furthering it. I need to get it tighter.
I've been using it since you gave it to me, about 3 or 4 days, and I absolutely love it when I'm charting out. I use it on my crypto too, because it works just as well on that to establish my ATR and look at my volume trends and everything else. It's rock solid.
Definitely good. Say again, buddy.
It's too big.
Well, I don't leave it up. You can have it on your indicators and then just take it to where it comes in and comes out when you want to look at it.
Yeah.
You just hit the eyeball on your thing and it'll disappear. And then when you want to, show them how to do that. You hit the eyeball on it and it disappears. And
yeah.
And
I know that.
He knows, but that actually brings up a pretty good point. I want to see if there's.
But you're complaining that it's too big.
Well, dude, I'm trying to help him. It's too big. It's too clunky.
There could be.
It's perfect, dude. You only look at it before when you're set.
Have you seen DAS's? That's clean.
Yeah, Das has a very tiny one. It's over every single individual candle. Right?
That's because Cryptic likes tiny things. He's used to tiny things in his hand.
Dude.
Okay.
Dude, this I'm wondering to see if there's a setting to kind of adjust the size in this thing, but another reason why it probably another reason why it appears a little on the larger side on your end is probably because I'm using a 5K display. So I'm over here adjusting it to a 5K and it looks kind of small on my end. So then when you put it to something that's maybe 2K display or a 1080 display, sure, it probably appears like all the way over there.
I only use it as a reference when I'm charting out my ATR and getting my, my setups for the day scalps and else. I don't leave it up on the chart while I'm trading.
Yeah, that's something I did notice too. I have to often kind of block it out, and I'm gonna try to do things with it. I'm gonna see if maybe I can just overall dim it if I can't move the size. So maybe I can just dim the entire thing so that it's transparent, you know, so you can barely see it. And manual, right? Manual attenuation. If I can't adjust the size, right? Because every single individual area is placed there one by one. Because there's no like, Trading View, set me up a 12 by 6 grid. There's no such thing as that. So I had to literally create one box at a time.
Yeah.
So it's freaking annoying to code in Pine this type of Excel spread. Look.
Oh, I like it. I'm a stupid gorilla, so what the fuck do I know?
Shit, man, I like it too. I'm fucking chilling with it, man.
Works for me.
But I'm still developing it though. So as soon as I do have it ready, then I'll have more expandability on it. Because look at my menu right now. It doesn't have anything in it. I still got to get it going, guys. But yeah, as soon as I get this thing,
keep it simple, stupid.
Right? Yeah, that's the idea. All right, team. So, Meta. Dos Equis. Oh yeah, Dos Equis. Is your mic actually working or not, man?
Is your mic working now?
I don't
hear.
Nope.
He's in the middle of the Atlantic now.
What's up?
On a raft.
Ooh, that sounded good.
There you go. You're back.
There he is.
Yeah,
We thought you were still in William's dungeon.
yeah. William take the chain,
Oh,
whipping me, shit, and puts the leather.
He's still in there.
damn it.
Crypto, is that the same man put on goddamn big on me? That
Dude.
leather.
Dude, I'll hook you up with Verizon, Dos Equis. Just
Listen,
contact me.
We're gonna get a little.
Damn it. Your mic is definitely chopping.
Verizon.
Let's slow her down.
Damn, sorry, Dos Equis. Your mic is still chopping, buddy. I think you're still in the middle of the tornado.
Dos Equis, can't hear you, bro.
All
It's
right.
that Boost Mobile.
Put the GIMP back in the closet.
Oh, dude, that
Get you
sucks.
Crypto. Get in your ass, bro. Okay, man. Shoot, this is the shoe phone. OG. AG. Get.
Damn it. We're not hearing nothing, brother.
Dang. I'm sure something really funny, but we can't.
Taking a shit right now.
What, the ES?
Thick.
Oh, dude, that sucks, man. I definitely can't hear anything. Sorry, bud.
Can you hear me?
Can we all pitch in and buy him a better phone?
Coin, you're also kind of
I think Coin got caught by William too.
damn. Everybody getting caught up.
No,
It's the Obama phone.
It's the Obama phone, says Frank.
On my phone.
Dos
Dude.
Equis, are you wet back?
Dude, don't get him going again, bro.
Oh, dude.
Look at NVIDIA. Got this
Now it's
fast
back on
905
point.
or 906, and then you got
And everybody's having phone problems today.
Coin, you're getting you're like roboting like crazy. I think I heard NVIDIA. Oh, he's coming back. He just disconnected.
Okay.
Cyber Sultan said, "Is that Megatron?"
He sounds like Starscream, actually.
Yeah.
Oh boy.
You're back in?
good now.
There we go. The hell was it?
There you go.
Wi-Fi. I switched to Wi-Fi.
Nice.
So I was gonna say, look at NVIDIA. This thing's making higher lows, and it's building a big wedge here. And look, it's got this gap at like 90. Was it 909 or 906 or something?
Let me open up. I'm gonna open up.
And Meta 505 gap.
Oh, it's rhyming, and it's also it looks like a pennant, man, on NVIDIA.
Yeah. So if these two go fill their gaps and Apple moves, it's over.
We're talking about 5 trillion. Oh, maybe 7 trillion market cap effort for the upside.
Mm-hmm.
Damn. Let's go. It's probably gonna do it, man. And I think that's so. Was there a higher beta for puts? Where people were betting the downside more? Oh, maybe so. Maybe so. So we're gonna go into OPEX just pushing out all the bears. It's just gonna be a short squeeze.
Yeah. Oh, yeah. Well, a lot of those are hedges.
Oh man. Okay. Well, let me take a look at Nvidia here.
Bitcoin taking a shit.
Let's go. Oh, dude, wait. Nvidia's
taking a shit.
Oh, is it really? Yeah, let's
Up
go.
to 70K.
Let's go. I'm short. Yeah, man, I'm short the asset right now. So I definitely want it to go down. Let's see.
You're still short Nvidia?
Yeah, I'm up $700 right now on that trade. Look, check it out. I can kind of put it down here. Look at this. 621 in the plus, 575, 563 is fluctuating. So let's see how it works out. It's interesting because it's only 0.76% up than that I am. So I got a short this just about an hour ago, expecting this drop. And I'm doing that challenge on trading.
What a challenge!
Yeah. And yesterday I shorted. That was around a $1,800 gain on that short. And this one is already. Let's see, what was my entry? My fill was at 70,700. Oh no, sorry, that was 70,700, and we're currently at 70,000. Nice. Woo, it's going. 800 up. Let's go. Dude, with all these guys are they're up. They're up big time. But and they're not letting me trade a $250,000 account. They're not letting me trade more than one Bitcoin. I would have already caught up to them. So it's just kind of annoying that I can't flex the skill the way I do it. But look at this. Watch. Let me show you the.
Oh, sellers flooding in here.
Look at the position. I'm up 900. So
nice.
Freaking big ass conviction. Yeah, no, it's just they're not letting me play it the way I would.
Walking it down.
I would have shorted 3 BTC on this, man, if I could, then. Yeah,
they're walking it.
Yeah, man, this thing is really eating crap.
He's out the way. He left. They filled him. I filled the buy orders. Might get such a bounce in this area.
There is a BTC resistance at about 70,076. 70,000 if it even gets there.
Why is my internet fucked up?
Anyway, but you were looking at a larger time frame pennant on Nvidia, larger, right? A daily or what time? He disconnected. Wait, let me check the.
He's going to reset, I think.
Oh.
He's roboting again, really.
Oh, I see. Yeah, maybe let me look at this in the 8 hour. Oh, there we go. Dude, it's another freaking pennant. Everything is doing this. Everything is converging. It's around the same thing. Yeah, no, Cryptic. Some of those fools are up already like $33,000. They've been in this for like 15 to 20 days, and I'm only up $2,100 from last night. I don't even want to look to see where they are now. Dude, it's just like, man, if I would have seen the competition a little bit earlier, I probably would have been a little more fair. But screw it, man. Whatever. I'm gonna try to.
Dad, you got to challenge yourself. Give him a head start.
I'm pretty sure I could catch up, dude. But it's just it's so freaking annoying to be limited like that. If I can gain one more Bitcoin's worth, dude, my P&L is just going stupid insane on this. Look, I'm up $1,200 now. That's I filled at 70,719. We're at 69,300, 400 now. So that's how I'm doing it, right? I'm gonna short the half the ATR every time. I'm probably gonna realize here soon. Last run was 1,700, 1,800. I'm probably gonna do this until maybe around 14 or 15 if I could. But yeah, man. Joseph, ARCa shorts Bitcoin. That's insane. I can't even buy Bitcoin, bro. No, dude, it's a competition. It's paper trading. It's not the actual thing. Immediate short-term time frame downside here on Nvidia, potentially reaching down to the 869. If we get down to that 869, this well, it could be 869 to about 866 to be fair. And then this would start its incline. Holy crap, dude. The entire market is going to fly tomorrow. The whole market is going to fly tomorrow. Damn. That is insane. Dude, this is... let's pull up the stats here and see what it has for us. Let me get rid of this thing. And let me look at the 24-hour instead. Yeah. 45 ATR, 4572 ATR on a 24 hours. So that's Coin, you good now, buddy?
Hopefully.
You're chopping up a little bit.
Oh, still.
Yeah, I don't know. Is it good now or no?
Yeah, there we go.
There you go.
Yeah, you sound better.
Yeah, I had to restart my phone.
So, Frank, hold on. Frank, yeah, so looking at BTC, Thursdays are usually red. Right? So, historically speaking. So, from here, I'm thinking that we potentially tweezer bottom at around 68,007, which is roughly around where I want to take profit, right? I'm about $1,100 up on this thing. One stupid Bitcoin. I'm so upset over that, dude. You understand how much of a killing I would do if I did 3 at a time? Oh man. So around 68,007 could be the bottom line here. There is still space to go to 69,160. But if we did get that bounce from that area, then yeah, this would potentially recover. We would be setting ourselves up to go and test the 73.8. All over again. So just give it some time, right? This thing does move in big lots. But yeah, dude, look at this. I'm up 1.64%. That's how insane this price is. It's so damn big. It's so heavy. That's massive, man. Barely. It looks like it's barely up, but it's such a huge difference. That's now, yeah, $1,300, $1,400 in the money. Nice. Okay. Let's continue on here. So yeah, one thing real quick here, Coin, check it out. I was telling Cryptic and the boys. Looks like another pennant. Downside 869, 869.75 to about 866.20 prior day low. Hold on, guys. I'm about to realize my position here. Hold on. Hold on. Hold up. Sorry, guys. Just a moment. No, I'm taking it. All right. Kill it, boy.
Damn, look at this. Look at this Bitcoin 1 hour. Is this a head and shoulders? That's gonna freaking put down to 62K. I think it's happening.
Everything's bleeding out with
I
it
got
right now.
62
Look.
and 52 by the end of the month.
Dude, it didn't connect. This is my take profit in here.
Good.
Fuck yeah, there we go. Let's go.
Exchanges are down.
Damn, boy. That was a $1,600 gain again. It was 18 the last trade, 16 on this one, 2 in a row. Let's go. Dude, that was big.
Yeah.
Fuck yeah. If I could catch up to those bastards, they're gonna know who's who. Oh man. 2 weeks ahead of time. Anyway, I'm sorry, but I'm over here just feeling myself. But what is the what did you just say about did you say SPY?
No, Bitcoin. I got a dump to 62 and then 52 by the end of the month.
You know what's insane is that you said that yesterday in the morning. You said, guys, I think Bitcoin's going to 62. It's at 69 right now. Good call, bro. The only thing that kind of worries me a little.
That was at 73.
Yeah, that was, dude, that's a big ass. So I've been shorting the whole way. But that's also with the stats, right? Because, you know, historically speaking, red on Thursdays. Not all of them, but for the most part. So just like we gain the stats for the SPY and for chips and all that stuff, that's the same way. I just practice it in the other side, in the dark side. So look at the price action now. So from where I took profit, look at it. Massive bounce. Took profit at 69. It's 400 up. Hell yeah. Dude, so if it does realize a continuation to the downside, maybe 70,000 resistance and a continuation, maybe even shorter than that, who knows? But it's dumping back down. Dude, that was a big ass short. Hell yeah. Let's continue the analysis here, team. So that's so now we know what Meta's gonna do. We know what Nvidia is gonna do, right? So this would be your bottom side to around 8. Let's recap here. So 869 to the bottom side of about 866, 53. Tesla's next, Frank. Thank you for asking. And then the bounce of 863.53. If I think by pre-market and what United States here, we could. That's a little tough to call, but we may open up anywhere between 876 to 880 maybe. Nvidia is a little bit of a wild animal, so that's it's kind of hard to call that. But if we did open up at around that 880, that would put us for a nice situation in getting this thing to rocket ship. And the upside on this implied that would be the 60. Let me tell you like this, okay? Anywhere between 9 and 1 p.m., 9 a.m. and 1 p.m. So this means that it would have to be Euro close into power hour. We could be setting up a breakout. 923.60 is your resistance. Let me see if that's rhyming. I need the 923.60. Let me just put it in there. Right here. 923.60. Yeah. So your current ATR top is 935. So what was the difference in close? So 879.44 to 872.98. Wow. So it did kind of come down a bit. That would mean that I could have used the. Damn, that significantly drops things. I think I'm going to stick to it though. 866 was the one I was calling, right? Okay, so your current ATR low would be 861. Let's put that in. 866 to 861. Okay. This is your loading. Accumulation starts from here. So if we did, hold on. Dude, this is ridiculous. It's a little bit of a puzzle here because of the because of the difference of price action from market close to post market, and recover to prior days close, meaning today's close. So 879.44 after the drop of 861 to 866.
Guys, when Bitcoin fills this 68 here, sorry.
Dude, that's gonna. Oh man,
if they fill 68 and take a rocket ride. It's gonna wick out right after 68, 67.5 or somewhere in that zone. She's gonna wick up, ride high.
You going to the upside?
I believe so. You got a pig sitting here, 150 Bitcoin at 68, which is your triple bottom. They're gonna wick him.
I'm gonna long.
They're gonna catch him. I am too. I'm watching the book right now. Come on, fill this pig. I've been waiting for hours for this one. Here it comes. Come on.
68.2, 68.215, 170, 155.
They'll get him. Someone's buying. There he goes. Oh,
damn.
They killed him and he reloaded. Yeah, another reload. Let it wick down a little bit.
I'm waiting for the potential 60.
It might be it. I was looking at 67, 890s or something, but that might be it. That was triple reload there.
I'm long 1 BTC up.
Me too.
Nice. It's already up $200. It's gone.
Yeah. All right. Sorry to interrupt you, bro. Sorry.
No. Hell yeah, dude. I was waiting for the bounce, but I just didn't know where it was going to be. I needed to chart it out. But dude, let's go. You know?
Yeah.
I'm going to let this thing ride. I'm going to potentially swing it.
Something's going on. It's getting jumpy.
All good.
Something's going on. Exchanges are going down.
It's all good, dude. This thing, let's see. Potential stop out could be, I know this is kind of deep, right? But 67,744. But we're still in the green. What's your fill?
Yeah, it's good. 68.1.
I got 68.3, so I think, and we're green, dude. We're chilling. I think, fluctuations to the downside are always normal. Potentially 68 flat or 68.30. But other than that, we could have, I didn't catch the stats on it, but let's see. Come on. Yeah, dude, your daily ATR low, 68.1. I mean, we're at the floor. Let's see. The only thing that would scare me a little bit would be the mean reversion on a daily, and that would be 65.1. But
you got your 1 hour candle though open in here, so you're gonna get a biggie bounce.
Let's see.
Probably back to 70,800.
So I might as well just scalp the $400 gain now. I'm up about $500 now.
Hell no.
You're holding it? You're keeping it?
For a minute, yeah. I just watched a 68K buyer reload 4 times. 150, 50, 50, 50.
You know that fool's not holding for just a little bit.
Nope.
Whoever that buyer is, he's smart. Whoever that buyer is,
Michael Saylor.
Probably, right? He knows his charts. Whoever that is, or her, right? I'm up $600 right now, so it's moving. Check it out. Here it is.
So you got to be sexist and assume it's a man.
I know, man. Over here, just he or she, right? So just
ride the wick, boys. Ride that tail. Ride that tail.
Yeah, actually, that's a long ass tail.
Ride that tail, baby.
What do you think?
Alpha's in here with us.
That's us. Let's go.
That's us, man. We long the crap out of it. So, dude, are we doing 70,000? It could be possible.
ARCa Alpha's in here with us.
Alpha.
What's up, Alpha?
Buddy, what's up, man? Good to see you here.
Yo, what's going on, buddy?
Chilling, man. It's longing the crap out of Bitcoin over here.
I can tell. Say it's on.
What about you, buddy? How was your day? Yeah, I just played it. Yeah, Alpha Gorilla was telling you that after he shorted it, I shorted it to oblivion right from the from the very top all the way to this bottom. Just realized the gains, and I inverse now, so I'm long. And I guess we'll see how it goes, man. But I'm looking at a potential 70,000 take profit on this for what could be around a $2,000 gain, maybe $1,800, one Bitcoin. But we'll see how it goes, man. But what about you, dude? How was your day? Sorry, Coin. Sorry, buddy.
Man. All cool, man. Like this market's been tough, man. I mean, it's been you can see, it's been like pretty red around. But it's all about like if you're, I think, on the right side of the trade. Like right now, man, we should be shorting. I see many people are trying to play against the trend, like buying calls, trying to call the bottoms. You know how that goes.
Yeah, so, man.
Yeah, man, can't complain, man. Like you see me always, on my penny stocks, on small caps, mid caps, but there's always opportunities, man.
Yeah, and I see you playing them all, dude. So it's good to know that you're a versatile or a well-versed trader. Look at this, right? So I don't know if you noticed from yesterday's post that I put, but there was a historical signal that came up on Tesla yesterday, and we spoke about the potential downsides here. And using a 9.90% retracement, statistically speaking, right? And that statistical analysis is based around historical volatility and linear versus stochastic momentum, right? These two here. So the criteria would land anytime that historical volatility expands from the 15th percentile, both moving average and component expansion phase, paired with stochastic bias of a downside. So this has been something I've backtested for the entire trading history by daily time frame of Tesla. All these are the samples. So that came up to a standard deviation drop of minus 9.90%, aka the target of $160 with 10 cents. And so the downside, I know you saw it today, right? We experienced 160 with 51 cents. So where's Danielle? Oh, she's not here, right?
Yeah, for sure. Yeah, I was watching, like, in my opinion, I was watching Tesla, like, and I had, if you notice on February 5th, we weak down to 175, and I actually knew, like last week, we pretty much all this week we were like bouncing around the same level. That's the 175, tapping. So I already marked that down. Like for me, that was my critical level, man. Once we broke 175, man, I was like,
it was over. Yep.
Like literally, I think it was like absolutely down. Like it was flushed down all the way, and man, you see all the selling pressure accumulating on your bottom bars on the daily, 4 hour. Man, it was like a no-brainer thing, Like that's what I said. Like, see people trying to like being like, it's gonna bounce. I'm like, why would you do that? Like, you have all the bearish signals telling you it's gonna flush down, right?
Completely agreed, man. Completely agreed. In fact, Off Grid Gorilla told me about this lady in Twitter who or X, right? Who said I'm gonna long Tesla right here, right? Because I'm gonna take out a second mortgage on my house and buy it here. I'm like, why, dude? I'm to be honest with you, Alpha, I'm expecting a potential 135 bottom on this. So she's talking about longing it here, and I'm like, no, this is not here. This is midway. You're still going down. If we break 130s, bro, it's gonna be a 90 to 100. It's gonna be a terrible drop.
Yeah. It has a lot more downside. Like right now, we see like 150s, 152s area from last week down.
Yep.
And then if you break 150, man, that's a strong signal, like a level. Then that thing like it's gonna flush way a lot, like 130s, like you're saying, because that's the previous breakout when they happened. So,
absolutely.
Yeah, man,
130, it's going down below 100.
Yeah, so here's just to show you how Alpha is actually dead on his targets, right? So my next set of targets are 151.66 to 147.19 with a focus at the 2 fib at 149.46. That would be the statistical downside is 151.66 with a 14.68% decline, which is otherwise your average downside breakdown, right? That's your downside breakdown here. More 14.70% correction based on all of the iterations here. So that's it's key levels. They're all inflections. So we're breaking these long-standing supports and just ripping them lower and lower while gapping down. Man, as soon as we break that, it's over at that 152-ish, 147-ish. It's gonna likely take a big dump. And yeah, so just one more target for you, Alpha, right? Just in case you want to match it with your strategy, buddy. But my system is telling me 135.40 at the 2.618. Statistical target would be 133.96. Just in case, right? Maybe this is going to be the effort of 2 or 3 days price action. If it doesn't increase the speed and volatility, if the rate of returns don't increase, then we could see this over a gradual 2-3 days, maybe. But
yeah, I mean, totally agree with that.
But just playing the bounces is the trick, right? So you can't just Tesla is a wild horse, as you can see. Your price action tends to just really zigzag, right? So it's hard to trade it with options contracts. So if you have the ability to maybe short shares, then that would be best. But I would stay away from holding margin overnight. Please be very careful with holding anything overnight that has margin in it. Okay, you don't know what the price action is going to do overnight. Tesla is not the one to mess around with, right? So it's better to know the stats, better to know the overall direction of the asset, and then trade intraday. So please be very careful, practice proper risk management, and do me one more favor: make sure to hit up Alpha Trader, follow his channel, say what's up to my buddy, and make sure to show your support. Thank you, brother. Everything okay with you, or what, dude? How's the family?
Yeah, for sure, man. Everything's fine, man. Like I told you, man, always here, jump in to help you guys out. Any questions, someone here to help you guys. Don't doubt to reach out, man. I'll do my best to, share my knowledge. I think we all have a, good perspective. I think everybody has a different trader, but as a team, we can do great things.
Hell yeah, dude. So to introduce you here, man, just to give it to you, right? Cryptic Trader, CoinFox, Sebastian and Off Grid Gorilla, these and Joe H, right? These are some of my most talented people that I've ever seen here. So these guys are 100% like full blown pro, and I just have to kind of give it out to them, right? Because they also are doing what you're doing. They're trying to assist retail and doing our thing, right? Joe H, my bro. Right, dude. So just to put it out like that, man, I think it's a good community. I think it's a good platform, and we're the important thing is that we're maintaining consistency and discipline, brother. So I hope your community and your people are also doing the same.
Dreamwork, baby.
Hell yeah, OG. That's how it goes, my bro. I love how it was the vegetable cryptic. It was what was that called? The squash, or what is it? When you put that sound, it was like a squash or something. Oh, dude. Yeah, that look. Did you set it up? What's my time frame for the 135? Maybe. Well, if it continues to the downside, bro, maybe.
Could be the end of March if things go the way I think it's going to go.
Yeah. No. Well.
Really good.
I mean, well,
the
the AT. Well, let me look at the 24-hour on this. Right, we have a $9 average true range on this. So, the 135. I don't know, man. That could be the efforts of, like I said, around 3 days, but maybe give it a week and a half, or I'd say a week or two, just to be safe, right? But but just know that it's not about just like, borrow and hold and then cover at the low. I guess you could do it like that, but there's a huge danger holding margin overnight. That's not something that's advised. Okay, like that's
the ebb and flow.
Yeah. I mean, I know that we have aggressive traders out there. I know that we have swing aggressive shorts. I agree. There's everyone to their own, but just in my personal experience, you don't want to hold margin overnight, right? It's just as speculative as holding the options overnight too. It's just you don't have control over the markets. Bunch of messed up stuff, Cryptic Trader over there having too much fun with the ladies.
I hate Cryptic's computer. There's got to be so much porn on it.
On what?
Cryptic's computer.
Oh.
No way, dude.
Cryptic said never the trading system.
No. My trading system's clean, bro.
Yeah, dude, the trading system.
Nothing like that on it.
Never mess around with that
Then
one.
the dirty computer you have for your after hours stuff.
The burner computer.
Yeah, the burner phone.
Well, I mean, there's someone here called Tres X, so I mean, come on.
And we're not talking about Vin Diesel. So
no, not Triple X, Tres X.
Tres X. Dude, I'm sorry your mic is not working, buddy.
Are you seeing more downside for Tesla tomorrow, or are you seeing it bouncing?
So
I see it more down.
I'm giving my macro targets for now. So let's look at the 4-hour time frame and see what's up. So if we can observe momentum, don't hold on. There could be a short-term bounce here, and hold on. Let me see. Yeah, dude, we're getting a bounce. Yeah. There's an upside.
Yeah, there is.
Yeah, right. So heads up on this because we could be testing high of day, either high of day or pre-market high today. So I'm gonna give you a range here. That would be 171.27, aka 43, but it's all good. And there is some confluence between the low of day on Tuesday, March 12th. Let's see. Yeah, we're talking about weekly lows here too. The weekly resistance. So that would be 171.92 to about 171.27. This is the current time frame, right? So if we're looking at the bands, you're looking at the upper one standard deviation multiplier, 170.36 for resistance. So that's confluence. If we reach the full extended move, which there could be a possibility because Tesla tends to do these weird little numbers, your daily ATR top is 176.12, confluence with the upper two standard deviation multiplier 175.60. So why don't we just kind of put that into perspective here, right? 175.60. So guys, don't open short on this too fast. Right? Don't hold your breath here because this feels like it's going to bounce pretty aggressively and it's going to get shorted aggressively too. So 170.36. Yeah. So pretty much I'm just going to leave the line right there. 75.61, and this would be your bottom. Yeah, two potentials tomorrow. So heads up on that. Just those two potentials, and then we'll get this. We'll get the continuation to the downside. So what's happening here is this: you had a previous chop zone between this, arguably speaking, this area here, right? Let me get the indicators out of the way and change the freaking color on this real quick. Like this, right? Just like that. You get this chop area. The downside target gets met. The retracement then is in line because I can't tell if the bottom side of the chop would be here, right? Or that other place. So let's just say for argument's sake that it's around here. So this would be the validation of resistance before a continuation or a second one. And your downside target could have been figured simply by taking the width of that channel. So somewhere like this. You break down from this point, and your bottom side target was set to be 161.09, 160.51. So formation analysis, psychological targets, geometrics, statistics, all of it was lined up. And technicals, right? All of it was lined up for this downside here. So this was the take profit for that, right? Naturally, you got to bounce back up, validate relevant resistances, and then the continuation to the downside. So this would be this is your downside here, right? You face that bottom, consolidate. We got another downside here, right? You get that validation of resistance, consolidate for a little bit, next leg down. So it's going to take a little bit of time, right? But, okay, Alpha, got to check back in the kids. Nice to talking to you guys. Looking forward to join more late sessions. I love it, brother. Please be safe. Be well. Take care of the kids, and we'll talk soon. Peace, brother. So, yeah, team, that's what I'm looking for. Immediate short-term time frame upside. Heads up. OGG, tell me.
171 top.
It's looking like two different targets, right? We have a 171.27 to 171.92, and there also is a potential to ride to its absolute top of 175.61. So that would be your ATR top. Well, your daily ATR top is 176. Actually, you know what? Let me do that. 176.12 to 175.61.
All right, cool.
So these are the two potentials, right? Heads up. Don't you know, I wouldn't enter here yet. I know that there's going to be a big rejection here, right? But in all reality, we could retrace back down to 167, quick little liquidity trap there, right? And then bring it up higher and then get this thing to retrace. So you don't want to be, I mean, if we get the chance here, there are two V's to keep into consideration. Let me show you. V number one would be here, right? This. Yep. You want to short the top of the V. Now, if that is not it, then you have another pocket of resistance right in here. So that would be a different size V, and we would then have to take that into deep consideration as well. So just like this here. The thing that I'm trying to show you with this is that you don't want to be caught in the wrong side of the V. You don't want to be in here when we still have all this to go. So that would be terrible risk management, because you're honestly looking at the difference of a 5 to 6 point increase. You don't want to weather that storm. So yeah, let's just be patient here, because there are two very, very important zones to validate in order for us to get to the downside. So heads up, 175.61 to 176.12 top, bottom side of 171.27 to 171.92. Immediate short-term time frame. This means that we could get the gap up, continuation, intraday, right? Looking at the first couple hours, and then the correction would probably lead into NYSE lunch euro close or power hour. So let's just kind of keep it there, because it's hard to time Tesla. It's too wild. But that's currently it for that. Let's see. I gotta check in on the Bitcoin. All right, man, dude. Yeah, it's still doing good, coin. I'm up 750 now. Entry 68,350. We're at 69,030 something. Nice. All right, brother. So, guys, I do apologize, but I do have to cut the stream here right when I need to get my daughter to drive, and we shall continue the market analysis a little later.
We'll catch you guys in the morning.
Coin, please get some rest, my brother. Be safe, be well. I'll catch you soon. Thank you for everything, dude.
I'll be up all night now.
Hell yeah, dude. Right, you're gonna have to get some melatonin.
Bitcoin riding.
All day. Why force you to be up all night?
He's like, damn it, ARCa, this was the early stream.
I'll catch you in the morning.
I'll catch you guys.
Thanks, guys.
Cryptic, thanks so much, buddy. I'll catch you later, man.
Later, bro.
Let me say goodbye to the family here.
Legos.
Hasta luego. So,
Peace out.
later, team. So here's the link. Please go ahead and join the ARCa Bulls trading team, you guys, and I'll see you in there, right? But thank you so much for coming out. Please take whatever I do show and iterate within these videos as just a form of entertainment, as I cannot suggest for you to buy, sell, or hold any assets whatsoever. I need you to do your own due diligence, and everything will be cool. But with that said, team, I wish you well a very, very good rest of your night. And I will catch you at the bell mañana. Adios, team.